Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar has said that it is a duty of a responsible government to create awareness about the special intensive revision of electoral rules, warning that voters may face serious consequences if they do not complete the required process. Speaking to reporters at his Sadashiva Nagar residence in Bengaluru on May 24th, he said a meeting of party leaders had been called to protect the rights of people in Karnataka. He explained that only those who submit the Election Commission issued application forms along with the required documents will retain their voting rights, while those who fail to do so, they risk having their names removed from the voters list. He added that booth level agents are being trained for this process. He said SIR related issues are being reported across the country and claimed that in some states between 50 lakh to 90 lakh votes are being removed. He added that the same process is also beginning in Karnataka. He warned that losing voting rights could also affect access to welfare schemes such as Gruha Lakshmi, pensions, housing and land benefits. He said the government must ensure citizens are helped with the required documentation and pointed out that similar awareness efforts are being carried out in Kerala. He further said voters must submit their applications to avoid losing their rights and noted that all major parties including Congress, BJP and JDS are training booth level agents. He stressed that protecting voting rights is more important than electoral victory or defeat. He also said that if welfare benefits are denied due to loss of voting rights, people would later blame the government. He added that even though the BJP may have initiated SIR, the ruling government will ultimately be held accountable. Questioning awareness levels, he asked what rural citizens would know about SIR and said many migrant workers travel to states like Goa for work. He warned that if they are absent during verification, their names may be removed from the voter list, and in some cases, individuals may be required to sign application forms multiple times during the process. He added that even he could lose his vote if he does not complete the process, saying that even a king will lose his vote. He also cited economist Amartya Sen as an example of someone who reportedly lost voting rights due to the similar process and urged citizens to protect their vote. On internal party matters, when asked about confusion over cabinet expansion, he said there was no confusion and remarked that a party exists only when individuals exist, and that position and status come after the party. Responding to the Bhatkal tragedy in which several people drowned while collecting shellfish, he said District in charge Minister Dinesh Gundu Rao would visit Bhatkal and that the government would take necessary measures with discussions already held on search and rescue operations. When asked about the compensation, he said it was not the right time to announce it, stressing that saving lives is the immediate priority. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.